Myntri Rangbah ke Jela Konrad Sangmau la Plie ya ka Babies Critical Care Unit SNCU, NICU, MNCU ha Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital Shillong ha ka jingdan lang ka Menteri ke Health and Family Welfare ka kong Prilingdo Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Sampat Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Health Dr. Joram Beda bat kiwe ki he officer ke tenat ke koi ke kya habakren ha ke jingalang lo ong ba ke don kalat ban kentiu ya ke koi ke kya ha ke jila Henry don kampat ke jing trailang ban kentiu ya ka
Problem with the connections of the wind pipe and the food pipe, which cooperate.
New changes which we have been seeing here, and of course we have got new equipment.
We don't, of course, we do agree that the challenges are very huge. And therefore, it's not that we can change everything in one go. But as we move along, like many of the doctors were mentioning, and like we saw in the video today, that 2017, how the situation was, and today, as you move along, you've seen the Ganesh Hospital now completely transformed, and I'm sure many more things to be done. So similarly, every long journey starts with few steps. And therefore, I just want to assure you that we will be there along this journey to ensure that we are able to increase and improve the overall health services and the quality of the health services in our state. To conclude, I don't have to say this to you, but normally I say this to all the people whenever I meet our team, whether it's from the health department or the farmers, agriculture department or any department. I always encourage our staff and our team to be always driven by some sense of purpose to help the people of the state and not just look at your job as a duty. And the beauty in enjoying one's work is like none other. And the satisfaction in seeing, just today I of course entered the room where the children and the babies were kept, and of course I have not experienced very emotional moments, but just entering that particular room to see those babies and their lives being saved, and the difference that this particular unit and all of you are having in saving the lives of these children, I think must be one of the most satisfying moments for you every time you're able to save that one life. And I think that is what should drive you and drive each one of us in every effort that we try to do and every work that we try to do. And that's, I think, the key to enjoying what you do and to making it meaningful for you and to be able to really lead a life with some kind of a strong purpose in front of you. And that is very important in whatever walk of life that you are in. And I urge all our staff and our team to always be guided by that sense of satisfaction and that purpose in your life.